Hey, welcome to another show. Today on the show, I'm going to show you a really easy way on how to take a screen capture with your S20 Ultra Galaxy phone. So let's take a look here. Let's say you're on Amazon and you see a product that you really like. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the down button right here and the on and off button, and you're going to quickly press those. And right away it took a picture of it, and you're going to have some other options right there too. And let's take a look in the gallery to see if it showed up. And there it is. Very easy, cheesy way to make a screen capture. So I hope you enjoyed our... Whoa! Gotta be careful of the T-Rexes here. Hey, check out our other videos on here. We always have a fun day over around here on our Lampo channel. Bye-bye.